So here's the original HANS post that we're removing. So you've got a lot of different HANS devices. The one on the right is the name brand HANS device. The one on the left is the new XAMPP one we're installing. You can tell that these are not compatible in any which way. So we've unscrewed this one. You can see we've already got a backing plate in this helmet. All new SA2020 helmets will have the threaded insert there for you. You can take this and then thread that in there and secure it with an Allen key, making sure it's tight. And there you go, you've got your new XAMPP post.